this hole is like stealing the show. Sorry, Meg.
Wait, what if I...
Oh, are you gonna try it?